Nicole. Ay, nasira. Nasira siya. Nakita ko kasi sa sa Facebook, ilagay lang daw sa tubig para siya magkaugat. Tingnan mo, nangyari sa aking itatanim ko sana to sa labas. Siya, anong tawag nito? Nagkaganyan siya tsura niya o nabulok siya. Sayang, ilagay ko na nga lang to sa labas. Hindi pala totoo yung sinasabi ng Facebook. Sabi ibabad daw para magkaugat. Hindi naman nangugat, nasira tuloy. Ay, ewan ko sa'yo. So, wala akong may tatanim. So, sana mabuhay yan doon sa labas pag itanim ko. But anyway, mag-energy na tayo kasi para may laman yung tiyan ko, nagugutom ako. Ano bang masarap kainin? Masarap sana magtuyo sa umaga, no? Wala naman akong tuyo. Ay, nakakamiss. Where's Nicole, babe?
I don't know where she is.
Nicole? Nicole? Uy, bumili ka na ng kape doon niya.
Anong bawal siya?
Kapeng stick niya gusto niya kasi yung meron dito, kopi ko, puro sugar yon. Yung stick yung gusto niya. Bili ka muna doon sa sa Uncle John. Kunin mo yung 500. Saan pupunta ka nung wala kang pera? Kasi sabi niya, magda-diet na raw kami. Tapos sabi ko, bawal yung kape. Tapos gusto niya magkape ng kopi ko. Sabi ko, hindi rin pala siya maganda. Kausap. Ilang peraso ba bilhin mo? How many, babe? You want, babe?
Just buy 6 for now.
Okay, 6 daw.
Ito bumili ng biscuit.
Ay, bilang ang kuko lang kuko, mama. What do you call that, babe? The other one that you bought for me before? The yellow one? That yellow biscuit?
No biscuit.
The yellow biscuit?
Yung coconut.
Coconut?
Coconut.
The yellow one? Something coconut. Buy me one. Kasi gusto ko yung na yun.
Ano yung black na stick? Yung gusto niya?
Oh, yung stick ko na Nescafe. Yung stick. Stick, ha?
Yeah, stick.
Yeah, she's asking what coffee.
Nescafe.
The Nescafe stick. 5 pieces. Energy in akin. Nakakamiss yung kape kaso hindi ko lang siya mainom kasi nga pag nag-inom ako ng kape, malamang yung anak ko energetic buong araw, hindi na matutulog. Kaya hindi ako nakakapagkape. Ayaw ko na siyang ulitin. Inulit ko na siya, nag-sip ako sa kay jowa ko ng kape. Tapos ganun pa rin nangyari. So hindi siya maganda. I will stick on my plan, babe.
What's the plan?
The plan that I don't eat rice.
On the best. No rice.
Why are you laughing?
Filipinos say no rice.
Babe, why is so dark in here? Yeah, I will stick on that plan. Unlike you. You said no coffee, and now you're making coffee.
Yeah, I need coffee. What to do? That's the only coffee I have right now.
Babe, how's the weather today? No, can you check? I'm planning to go to the park.
It's 35 degree today.
Babe, I'm going there in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Of course.
Going in the afternoon also be very hot for her.
I want to start my walking, babe. Oh, you and Nico can look up. Ayan na. Yeah. Can I have like an hour walk? Babe?
No problem if she's sleeping.
Yeah, but Nicole is here. She can carry once she cried. I have to stick my plan. Kaya tumataba na tayo. Look at my arm. Babe, look at my arm, babe. Oh, so big na, babe. Lalo na yung bilbil.
She's awake.
She's awake?
She's moving.
Ay, nako. Kailangan na natin start ng diet. Hindi na maganda to. Wala na akong nasusuot na damit ko. Hindi na magkasya lahat. Babe,
Ah,
I'm going to take Ayan to the doctor.
why?
She have the cold, di ba?
She doesn't have a cold.
Babe, she has a cold, babe.
There's nothing coming over here.
Yeah, because you're not the one who look after her. That's why. And besides, we're going to put her the earrings, di ba? Today is Monday, so the doctor is there. They are open today. I don't think it will rain today. Look, the sun is out. It's hot outside. Babe, how many stick, babe? Just one or two?
Just this one base.
One? Then?
That's it. No sugar, nothing.
No sugar? Here, babe. It's hot.
That's okay.
The energy, babe. Sorry. It's okay, ha?
Yeah.
I use the same spoon. May energy doon kasama sa niya. Kape. And I'm having this
You want a biscuit?
butter coconut. Next time you buy me this one, babe, ha? And also the Pudgy bar, the green one. Say, good morning, mga shots. My baby is awake na. Wiki, wiki, my baby Ayana. Look at my baby Ayana. Look at my baby. Kitty, kitty, kitty pie. My baby pumpkin. That's my baby pumpkin. It's Halloween time. Yay! It's Halloween. Say good morning, everybody. Good morning, shots. How's everybody? Laki ng mata mo, baby. Oh, laki na ng mata na naman ang mata na. Oh, my kitty-kitty eye. You will have your milk soon. Then we will go to the doctor, okay? Samahan mo kami, Col? Sa doktor? Ayaw na lang punta doon kung nasa jowa kasi baka busy siya.
Bakit?
Lagyan natin ng hikaw sa Ayana.
Hindi lang sasama.
Siyempre, katuwang ko, Col. Katulong. Yaya ko. Okay na?
Ah, hindi mo na ako binabayaran.
Ha? Sige na. My baby will have earrings today. Because the last time, what was the vlog about, baby? Yung vlog namin, last vlog namin, isupunta sana kami doon sa doktor niya. Kaso lang, half day lang pala sila nung Friday. So, we didn't make it dahil late na kami. So, today is Monday and we are going to do that.
So, full day sila. Full day.
Yeah, whole day sila today. We're going to do that. My
So,
baby,
yan.
we're gonna cry a little bit. Just a little bit, okay? So you can have your earrings. Yay! So my baby will be prettier. My baby Ayana.
Saan yun? Hospital yun?
Diyan lang ko sa may walking street ko, sa may McDonald's malapit.
Hmm.
Diyan lang yung bidya niya.
Doon yung doctor yan. Sa walking street.
Oh, yung kay Maliang bidya
Yung ginagawa
natin.
yun sa walking street.
Malapit sa walking street, hindi sa walking
Ay.
street. Malapit sa walking street. Ah. Gigigil ako. Buti na lang maganda ang baby ko. You hungry now, baby? You want milk? You want mommy's milk or you want formula? Ha? Kasi minsan maarte siya, mga shots. Minsan ayaw niya yung gatas ko. Nililigwak niya yung aking gatas. Gusto niya yung formula. Ngayon tatanungin natin, what do you want? Ha? Formula or milk? Breastfeed. You want breastfeed or milk? No?
Yes.
No answer? Yay! Either or? Oh. Ayan. Say hi. Say, malapit na tayo sa video. Ang cute mo, baby. Ang cute ng mata mo. Ang pungay ng mata mo daw, sabi nila, mapungay. Mapungay daw ang mata, parang di makabasag pinggan ng baby namin. Pero pag umiyak yan, buong barangay. Buong barangay ang makakarinig ng baby namin. That's my baby Ayana. Get closer. That's my baby Ayana. Yay! There you go. You're so close. Say hi. Okay, magbigyan ko na nga ito ng gatas mga shots ng makainom na at baka pag get ready na kami sa aming pupuntahan for today's video.
Yay.
Thank you. Say thank you. Ay, say then baby. I hope you do like and subscribe. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe sa aming channel, please do like and subscribe para naman po meron kaming viewers na manood sa aming baby. Wala po kaming viewers masyado. But anyway, thank you sa mga nandyan na palaging nanonood sa aming videos kahit iilan lang kayo. From the start. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much mga shots. And now I have my baby Ayana. We will have a video every day. Oh, I'm falling down. Let's go. Okay. Bless you.